Tips and Fun, Week 5, Video 15. Before we start, can you solve this puzzle and connect 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and 3 to 3 without crossing lines in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done.
Connect 2 and 2. 3 and 3. Now, how do you connect 1 without crossing the line? Nope, line crossed. Nope. Nope, line crossed.
Only highly intelligent people can solve it. Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to our 52-week program of Grammar School Maths Test. This is our 5th week. Today we will do some fun. Isn't that nice? If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now for exciting tips and fun. Fun 1. Let's start with some magic. All of you who are watching right now can participate in this magic. Here is a 4x4 grid. Let's fill it up with numbers 1 to 16. Now take a pen and a paper. In a minute, I will ask you to select some numbers and I will give you some numbers too. At the end, we will add them together. However, I know from human nature what numbers you will select. So I am writing a number here. It would be amazing if our numbers were the same as yours. Let's start the magic. Select any number from the grid. Once you select the number, cross out the row and column so that you do not select any number from that row and column. Select your second number. Cross out that row and column. Now, I am giving you number 4. Put 4 under your second number. Select your third number. Cross out that row and column. Finally, select your fourth number. I am giving you number 6. Put it under your number. Add them all. Now, let me use my psychic power. Come on, nope, yep. It is 44. How did I do that? Wait for week 6 tips and fun. It is in video number 18. We will explain and teach you how to do it. You can surprise your friend with this magic, so please subscribe and see video 18 in the future. Fun 2. Let's solve this puzzle. If you already solved it, you should be classified as a genius right now. Let me show you. Remember, the condition of connecting the same numbers is to not cross the line. That's the vital point. Now we can connect 2 to 2 and 3 to 3 easily. What we need to do for 1 is to go up to the 1 box and go along the box lines and connect to the other one. In this way, we are not crossing any lines at all. Genius, isn't it? Fun 3. If you pay attention to the question, you can solve this one. Question. Is it possible to multiply these 4-digit numbers without using a calculator in 10 seconds? You can use any tricks in the book. any kind of tricks. So you can use any kind of tricks, but no calculator. Alright, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What is your answer?
I'm still calculating.
Tell me your answer.
I'm still calculating.
Stop.
That's how our brain receives us. However, I never asked you to solve the multiplication. I asked you, is it possible? Not, can you solve it? I asked a yes or no question basically. So the answer is no. It is not possible to solve it without a calculator. Fun 4. Can you tell me the missing value of this sequence? 12 equals 23, 34 equals 47, 52 equals 27, 13 equals what? The answer is 34. The number is formed ones in the tens position, and we get the ones value by adding the ones and tens of the previous number. Fun 5. Mind game. Remove one line to make two squares. Which line is it?
No, that's not correct. No, that's not correct. No, that's not correct. No, that's not correct. No, that's not correct.
AB, DC, EF, FG, EG, DC, DH, or HC? The answer is DH or HC. Fun 6. Mind game. Again. Remove one line to make the diagram 4 squares without making any line open-ended. What line is that? If we remove B, A is an open end. If we remove AB, it is open-ended.
No, that's not correct. This is open-ended. No, that's not correct. This is open-ended. No, that's not correct. This is open-ended.
Similarly, we cannot remove any other lines except H. So the answer is H. Fun 7. Can you move one line to make the equation correct in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 0, -1, x. If you manage to solve it, you are a genius and you have 170 IQ. That's right, we move stick I. 5 minus 0 equals 5. That's all from 11 Plus Maths Genius for this week. Next week, we will present some amazing division tricks. If you like it, please share with your friends and please subscribe and don't miss any lectures, mocks, tips, or fun. Until then, be vigilant when you are outside. Stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.